Here's how I ruined this $4,000 Heywood Wakefield vanity. I bought this vanity off of Facebook Marketplace for $200 about 6 months ago, and I have been working on it ever since. Heywood Wakefield furniture is extremely expensive because it's made of solid birch. This piece specifically was covered in water stains and gave me the biggest headache. I scraped, sanded, and did about 10 rounds of wood bleach, which only helped a little bit. Heywood Wakefield stains are very hard to replicate, but after a bit of research, I decided to go with Old Masters gel stain in the color Fruitwood. I was really nervous about this because birch never absorbs stain well, and sure enough, it came out awful. I felt like I got punched in the gut with this one. I walked away from this project for a whole 2 months, and then I finally got the courage and I decided to fix those discolorations with Mohawk blendal sticks. Thankfully, there was a color that matched almost perfectly, so it was really easy to repair those areas. I sealed everything with easy vinyl sealer and then gave several coats of satin lacquer. And after several long months, I finally brought this vanity from this to this. It's by no means perfect, and my resale price will reflect that. It's missing the glass shelving, but I do have the mirror, which also needs to be restored. This one was definitely a labor of love and a very nerve-wracking learning experience, but I'm so tempted to keep it, but I'm running out of room, so make sure you check the caption for the step-by-step details.